If not, I'm gonna have to get the whole thing, the oil, the plug. Oops. Now I'm ready to go under the truck and just wipe down and clean the inside of the wheel. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I have another video here for you guys, and this one's gonna be about getting the oil change done on the Ford F-150. I'm also gonna be washing this thing because it's been parked here for maybe three weeks or so. And yeah, this is gonna be just a quick video on how I get the oil change done, and also what I do to wash this truck. Shouldn't be a long video, but I thought about bringing you guys along with me, and so you guys can see how I get this thing washed here at home. I can't take it to the car wash because it's way too big. The wheels and tires are way too wide, so now I have to wash it here at home, and I will bring you guys here along with me so you guys can see what I do. All right, well, here we go guys. We are under the truck here, and I'm about to take that the drain plug out so I can drain all the old oil. Here we go. There you go. Hopefully I don't make a mess. Last time I only used these small container here, and I almost made a mess. This time I'm using a bigger container here, so hopefully I don't make too much of a mess. Here we go. Let's do this. Alright, so far so good. Let's see. Oh, right there. Yeah. Alright. Have the drain plug right here. I have the drain plug. Oops. Have the drain plug right here. I need to replace that washer. It's like a seal. Every time you do an oil change, you want to replace that seal there, because you don't want any leaks or anything out of the bottom of that oil pan. So I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's and get the oil. I'm also gonna get that replaced. Hopefully I can just get the washer, the ring. If not, I'm gonna have to get the whole thing, the oil, the plug. Oops. Okay, right there. Oh, I almost made a mess. Oh, right there. Right there, right there. Come on, come on, come on. Keep doing it, keep doing it. By the way, one of these days I'm going to be recording a full video about the suspension, all the work I've done to the suspension under this truck here. For now, I'm just doing the oil change and washing the truck today. All right, it's drained. Let's move on to the oil filter. That's going to be up front. All right guys, so we are now at the front of the truck. The oil filter on these trucks is located up here in the front. I already moved everything over here. I'm ready to take that filter off, and hopefully I don't make too much of a mess. It's ways in there. Hopefully you can see it. Okay, here we go. I'm taking the oil filter off now. Let's see right there. I'm gonna bring you as close as I can so you guys can see it. So what I will do now is I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's, get the filter, the oil, and we're gonna start after I put it all in. We're gonna start washing this thing. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, I just came back from the store. I went to get the oil for the truck. So this is what's recommended for my truck, for the Ford F150 here. Okay, this is gonna be 7 quarts, and the oil filter right here. I couldn't find a replacement. I couldn't find another O-ring like this for the drain plug. You're supposed to replace this every time you do an oil change. That way you won't have a leak on under the truck there at the oil pan. So I couldn't find one. I had to buy the whole thing. I didn't need the entire thing, the drain plug with the O-ring. This one here has a gasket, and this was the other option. So I ended up buying the whole thing instead of just the O-ring, because I was gonna have to go look somewhere else, and I didn't want to do that because I want to get these done. I want to get the truck washed also. It's getting a little late in the day, but let's get to it, man. I will take off everything, the wheel covers, the truck cover. I'm gonna pour the oil, and I'm gonna start washing this thing. You guys are gonna watch me wash it and see what the procedure is and how I do it. Okay. All right, we have the oil filter here. You just want to add a little bit of oil onto the gasket here. You don't want this to get stuck onto the block. Next time you want to take it off, it's going to be stuck, and then it's going to be a problem. So just always add a little bit of oil here. Okay, and this one here goes hand tight. You don't want to use any wrenches or anything like that. Just with your hand. All right, guys, so I'm back here now. I'm gonna replace the drain plug with this new one. I'm taking that one out. This is the original right here. I'm not sure if it's original, but this is what I'm doing. I'm taking this one out. I'm sure there's gonna be a little bit of oil left in there, so be ready. There you go. See, I knew it. Not much, but there's some right there. Okay. All right. Old one, new one. Same thing, except that this one has a new O-ring on it. All right, let's do this. Whoa, what happened here? It's a little tight. It's a little tight. Why? I don't know why. Oh no, never mind. It's good. It's all good. Okay. Not too tight. Just enough. Okay. All right. That's done. That's done right here. Okay, we're done with this part. Now what's next is taking the wheel covers off, taking the truck cover off, and pour the oil. All right guys, so once I'm done cleaning the outside of the wheel, the outer lip and all the spokes in all 4 of them, now I'm ready to go under the truck and just wipe down and clean the inside of the wheel. I just don't leave it like that. I just crawl under the truck, and as you can see, there's a lot of water spots here and there. I don't like that, because that stays there and this will stay on the wheel forever. I gotta do this 4 times. All right guys, there it is, washed, cleaned, it's ready to go. I'm gonna take it out for a cruise right now. It's been a while, it's been about 3 weeks. All right, it's all shiny, deep cleaned, looks just right. All right, so thank you guys for staying with me while I did the oil change and washed the truck. Don't forget, like and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, just put them down in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you guys might have. All right.